Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create snippets in HubSpot. Snippets are reusable text blocks that save you time when responding to emails or chats, letting you insert commonly used messages with just a few keystrokes. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your tools and features. Now look to the left-hand navigation panel and hover over the option named CRM. This will open up a submenu with various CRM-related tools. From that submenu, click on Snippets. This takes you directly to the Snippets area where you can view, manage, and create all your saved text blocks. Once you're in the Snippets section, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Create Snippet. This opens up the snippet creation window where you'll build your new reusable text. In the internal name field, type a name that helps you identify the snippet later. Choose something descriptive like standard closing or reply template so you can easily find it when you need it. This name is just for your reference and won't be visible to recipients. Next, move down to the main text area labeled Snippet Text. Here's where you'll type the actual content you want to reuse. This could be a greeting, a closing statement, or even a full message block that you send frequently. Type it exactly as you want it to appear when inserted. If you'd like to personalize your snippet, use the Personalize option to insert tokens. These tokens automatically pull in information like the recipient's name or company, making your snippet feel more tailored even though it's templated. Now, in the shortcut field, enter a short trigger word or phrase. For example, if you type thanks as your shortcut, you can simply type that word during an email or chat, and HubSpot will suggest inserting this snippet. This makes the entire process incredibly quick and efficient. Finally, click Save Snippet to store your new snippet. It's now ready to use across your emails and conversations within HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.